Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Logitech headset is not working, then watch this video for the solution. Now this solution is not only for a Logitech headset, it is for any other brand of headphones. The first thing you need to do is run the audio troubleshooter. So you'll right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then we will click on the run audio troubleshooter button, and this should fix the issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, then we will go to change system sounds, click on the playback tab, and I do not have headphones plugged in, but if you do have headphones plugged in, you need to right click here and click on set as default device, click on apply and then OK. Now, if this doesn't solve the issue either, then we can update the audio drivers and run a Windows update. To update the audio drivers, we will look for device manager. Then we will look to expand audio inputs and outputs. And if you have a headphone icon here, then you need to right click on it and click on update driver. We can also run a Windows update by right clicking on start, clicking on settings, clicking on Windows update and clicking on check for updates. While this is running, we'll go to advanced options, optional updates, and if there are any updates here, we will install them. Now, if none of these options work, which is very rarely, then we can run a SFC scan. So we'll run it by looking for command prompt in the search bar, right clicking on it, run as administrator, click on yes, and then input the command sfc space / scan now. SCANNOW and press enter. Wait for the system to scan the files and correct repair the errors, and then restart the computer, and your error should disappear and your headset should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.